Imagine a gated community in Miami, 15 minutes from the ocean, water views right from your bedroom window, and all of that not in a high-rise condo, but in your own two-story home. Today we are breaking down Aventura Isles at Champion Lakes. What's here, what it costs, and why this neighborhood consistently ranks among the most sought after in Miami-Dade County. Location and why it works. Aventura Isles sits within unincorporated Miami-Dade County, technically not part of the city of Aventura, despite what the name suggests. But from a lifestyle standpoint, the location is nearly perfect. The beaches of Sunny Isles Beach are about 15 minutes away. Downtown Miami and downtown Fort Lauderdale are roughly 30 minutes in either direction. Both major airports, Miami International and Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International, are within 25 minutes. And Aventura Mall is just about 12 minutes down the road. What was built and when? The community was developed in phases between 2013 and 2015 on the former site of the Williams Island Country Club golf course. In total, there are 652 units, 166 townhomes, and approximately 486 single-family homes. Every home is a two-story structure, amenities and community life. Aventura Isles is a fully gated community with 24-hour manned security at the entrance. Inside, residents enjoy pools, a clubhouse, children's playgrounds, a dog park, tennis courts, and scenic walking trails along the canals and lakes. Two public parks border the community as well. Monthly HOA fees for single-family homes range from $400 to $500. For townhomes, fees run between $450 and $560 per month. Slightly higher because the HOA covers exterior building maintenance for townhome residents. Floor plans. Townhomes come in 4 configurations, ranging from the most compact layout with 3 bedrooms and 1,671 square feet, up to the largest model with 4 bedrooms and 1,920 square feet. All townhomes include a 1-car garage. Single-family homes are organized into 3 series. The entry-level Island series features homes facing the interior of the community, with a 1-car garage and 3 or 4 bedrooms. The mid-range Caribbean series offers similar layouts, with some homes overlooking a small lake and select models including a 2-car garage. The premium Duo series sits at the top, typically positioned along the perimeter with no rear neighbors, offering canal or lake views. The flagship Diamond model features 5 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. All other models in the series offer 4 bedrooms. Real estate market today. Based on data through the end of 2025, 15 homes changed hands in Aventura Isles over the previous 12 months. The average asking price was approximately $823,000, while the average sold price came in at around $763,000. A list-to-sale ratio of 93% at roughly $290 per square foot. Homes spent an average of 114 days on the market. The rental market is equally active. 3-bedroom townhomes are leasing for between $3,500 and $4,200 per month, while 4-bedroom homes are commanding $5,000 and above. What's nearby? Aventura Isles puts you close to the beaches of North Miami and Golden Beach, multiple golf courses, local parks, and Tidal Cove Water Park with its water slides and lazy river. World-class shopping at Aventura Mall, home to Tiffany, Burberry and more, is just minutes away. Aventura Isles is a community that families love for its safety, space, and waterfront walking trails. It attracts people who are done with high-rise living and want a real home, with a garage, a backyard, and actual neighbors, not just a concrete wall 6 inches away. And investors appreciate it too, because rental demand here is consistent, and the community itself was built to modern standards, so it's aging well. Now here's a question for you. What do you think is happening with sales in Aventura Isles right now? Are prices still climbing, or is the market starting to cool off? Drop your take in the comments below. If you want a deep analytical breakdown, inventory charts, price trends, and real transaction data, make sure you're following Vladimir Bugera's channel. That level of market insight is exactly what sets this channel apart. The full report link is in the description. And if you're ready to make a move and buy a home or townhouse in Aventura Isles, reach out to me, Elena Stazhkova. I'm a South Florida real estate professional, and I will find you the best option available. The right price, the right floor plan, the right location within the community. My contact details are in the description below. I'd love to help you make it happen.